Hey YouTube, this is Campbellboy11, just showing you my new Leatherman Core. Got it from tylertool.com. It's made out of stainless steel, except for these little gray rings right there and right there. Those are plastic. And you open it up. First off, it has needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, and wire strippers. Wait, let me see. There's a little circle down there. Okay. This is what else it has. It has a fully serrated blade, bottle opener, and Phillips head screwdriver, a smaller flathead screwdriver, and it also has a saw. There. And on this side it has a knife, a really bigger Phillips head screwdriver. Wait a minute. This medium-sized Phillips head, and an awl tool. Wait, let me get this. It's not sharp, it's just pointy. All of the blades lock. To unlock it, you have to press the button right here and press down. And it also has a file with this little, wait a minute, ring right here. This is the only thing that doesn't lock except for the pliers and stuff. This is for you can tie a string to it if you want to carry it around like that. The file, one side it only goes diagonally up, and the other side right here, it's like a diamond pattern. I like that. That's pretty cool. It's a good knife all around. I cut the box it came in. It has really good cuts. This is how it looks with the knife out. Cool. Okay, I'll try to get out all the main blades, like the biggest stuff, not the screwdrivers. I'll get that out. So yeah, those are the main blades. I'm not gonna show you all the extras it has. I already showed you guys it, but not all together. And when you're done, just flip it and oh, one more thing. It also has an engraved ruler in it. Like 22 centimeters, and I don't know how many inches. I think 9. Oh wait, it also comes with a nylon sheath to it. It's very good. Just flip it in there. Velcro holds it together. There's this button right here. It's probably used for to strap it to your belt or a belt loop or something, and there's a nice little clip to it. And yeah, like I said, the knife compartment itself is sealed by Velcro. Oh yeah, and this all of it is stainless steel, like except for the little plastic rings I showed you. Oh well, see you later, YouTube.